Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to announce that I'll be participating in Vlogmas, and I am so excited but at the same time a little bit skeptical if I can really commit to this. But I will try my best to post every day, if not every other day, and at the end of the day or at the end of the month I will be doing a massive giveaway, so please do watch out for that. Do please subscribe and like my videos. So I have a lot of errands today and I will be starting my day with Pilates. So this will be my outfit. I've been doing Pilates for a month now, and this is part of my postpartum journey. I just want to get stronger and I just want to feel good with my postpartum body again. Aside from that, I will be taking you guys with me to have these babies fixed up. These are my designer shoes. These are all Chanel and they are very worn out. Look at that. So yeah, I need tender loving and care. This is the last pair that I needed to have fixed. I'll be taking these to Dr. Leather and see how much it costs, and hopefully it's not like a lot. Let's go. I'm done with my errands for the day, and unfortunately I wasn't able to do my lasers because you're not allowed to do it if you have like keloid. Anyway, I thought of like sharing with you guys what's inside my bag instead. I am really excited to share this because I almost sold this bag actually. And I'm so thankful that I didn't. After I added this shoulder strap, this has become one of my most used bags. And it's so small, but it actually fits a lot. It's a camera bag from YSL, and the new version actually has a outer pocket already, but I didn't want to upgrade anymore. I think I'm still fine with the old version. Here's what's inside my bag. First is I have these foldable sunglasses from Saving the Dig Project. Really useful to have this kind of sunglasses, especially when you're using small bags. There you go. I also have my DJI Pocket 3 casing. I have my perfume from Paraluman Parfums. Some masks because I've been coughing a lot lately and I just want to be responsible. It fell. I have my wide angle lens for my DJI Pocket 3 camera, and then I have some candies for my toddler, I have my alcohol, and this is the biggest chunk inside my bag, which is my makeup kit. Let's see what's inside. I have my lip and cheek tint. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. This is so cheap also. It's just about 150, 180 pesos. Really worth trying, super long lasting. I have my makeup brush from Hourglass. This is some wipes. I have some sanitary pads, for emergency purposes. And hand lotion. I have my favorite blush, lip gloss from Summer Fridays, and lipstick. Lastly, I have my AirPods. This is really important for me because I have anxiety, and when I'm having triggers, music is a solution. It really helps me relax. And so yeah, that's it for today. See you in my next podcast. Bye.